go to the folder that I gave to you as AMOS workshop material. Their third number file is calculation of AVE and SEER. Okay. Here, if you check, someone has made some marking here in the screen. Brother, I would like to tell you, remove it. This one. This one. Okay. So, this is the construct how to here. If you go to the left, calculation of AV and SEER. Have you got this one, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you go to the AMOS graphics, that is our software, in the software, if you go to the, who has made this one, this blue color marking? Can you please delete this one, brother? Who made this marking in the screen? Everybody watching this marking?
Yeah, maybe
Yes.
it's
Yes,
from your
I
end.
think it's coming from your end.
It's
No,
from
no,
your end.
no.
If you sharing and share
You
again,
are
it
the
will
one sharing your screen, so it's coming from your end.
somebody wrote it on the screen mistakenly, I believe. But if you stop sharing and share again, it will disappear, I believe.
Oh, really?
Mm.
Oh, okay, maybe. Yes. Okay, thank you very much for your advice, brother. Thank you, Jazakallah. So, brother, suppose if you just go to the view text, go to the view text here. This is called the standardized estimates. Standardized estimates here. If you go to the estimates, scalars and standardized estimates, this is the factor loading. Okay. If you click on here, just take this copy and paste here. This is the value of, we have the 4 items. We shall copy and
Please end up. Take that again a little bit fast.
Okay. Did you open my Excel sheet that I provided?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There, one of the options there in calculation of AV and SEER, the extreme last, in the left side corner. If you click here, you will find
Yes,
this
sir.
calculation of AV and SEER. So,
Yes, yes.
you have to go to the AMOS software again, the AMOS graphics again. You have the model, right? This, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you click on here, the view text.
Yes.
Okay. In the view text, you will find here estimates, right?
Yes.
Okay, estimates, and then go to scalars, and after scalars you will find standardized regression weight. This is the factor loading value. This is called the standardized estimates.
Okay.
Okay, we will take this one. If you click here left button, then it is selected. If you click the right button, you will find the option copy. Got it? If you just select and click the right button and copy and click on here, see all the items loading came here, right? You can copy this one and paste on factor loading. All of these are factor loading, right? We have the 4 items here in satisfaction. So, here we have 6 items. So, we shall put in the first 4 places and we will delete these 2 items. from here. Say in the calculation of AVE, here it is showing 6. In our case it is 4 items, right? If you click on here, it is coming 0.577. So you can use my calculation sheet. The AVE is 0.77, 0.577, and CR, construct reliability, is 0.840, which is more than 0.5. Our AVE should be at least 0.5 and our CR should be more than 0.7, okay, or equal to 0.7. So you can use this one, or manually you can calculate, no problem. You got the point, brothers, sisters?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just save it. Everybody please go to the save path diagram. Save. Have you saved it?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now
Sir,
yes, please.
I wanted to know that do we have a break also?
Yes, after doing the performance, we shall take a break for half an hour. At that time, we can have lunch and prayer. Then we can come again, inshallah, after completing the CFA, inshallah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, could you please explain AIC and what could be the benchmark for AIC?
AIC.
Yes, sir. Model specification, sir.
Okay.
AIC, I didn't get it.
It is not required, brother. It
Okay,
is not required.
because it's
Just
written the lower.
It is ignored, brother. You ignore it.
Okay.
Lower better. So we have to check all of this. Ramsey, relative chi-square, these two are very important, and among these SGFI, GFI, CFI, NFI, TLI, among
Okay,
them
sir.
at least 0.9. Okay.
Do we have any benchmark for AIC, sir?
It is lower is better, best as all of these are showing. There is no benchmark of this or no threshold value. As
Okay.
low as possible.
Thank you, sir.
Another question on the Excel.
Yeah.
Which of the calculation are we picking? Is it the calculation AV and CR or con?
Yes, yes. We need to extract these two results. As we are doing the calculation manually, here see the same result will come if we put only the factor loading here, then and number of factor loading. If we calculate here is 4 items loading. If you are putting here 5 suppose 5 factor loading here, then in that case here you will put here 5. If it is 6 here, if you are putting the 6 factor loading, that I shall we will observe in the case of performance, brother.
Thank you.
Okay, brother. So we will do it for the performance now. So everybody please go to the CFA template. First you save it first, then you go to the CFA template again. And go to the file again and go to the save as and write here CFA performance. CFA performance. Okay, just select here CFA performance from here in the left side. So what will we do after selecting the CFA performance? We will go to the variable view and we have 7 items for CFA performance, right? Perform 1 to perform 7 we will put here. Perform 1, perform 2, perform 3, perform 4, perform 5, perform 6, perform 7. Okay, so just give a name of the latent variable in the text, that is performance. Performance. Just close it. Now go to the plugins and name unobserved variables. Now your model is ready to run. Once you have done, just let me know, then we can proceed.
Yeah, that's one.
Okay. So now what will we do? We will go to the calculate estimates. Bismillah. Okay, then just view the output path diagram. See, everybody got the result?
Yes.
See,
Yes, 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 yes.
see, our model is absolutely okay, but we have the issue in factor loading, right? How many factor
Yeah.
loadings have the issue, brothers and
One.
sisters?
One, sir.
One? Really? Are you confident, brother?
Two, sir.
Two, two,
Okay.
two,
Okay,
four.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just two. Which one, please? Tell me which
Performance,
one?
item number 2 and
Performance
Item
2 and
number 2
performance
and
7.
performance 7. What we need to
Yeah.
do?
I think we delete the first
Yes,
one.
We have to
absolutely
delete.
right, brother. MashaAllah. We need to delete performance 2 and performance 7. So how can we do? Go to the left side, click on here. In the left side, we can modify our model. 2 and 7, please everybody do delete. Performance 2 and performance 7. And our boss is still there, right? Nothing to do about our one. It's okay. So what we have to do
Please,
now?
please, how do we change the position of that one if it is necessary?
Okay. Very easy. Here, just suppose if you want to put one here in the arrow,
Yes.
just click there, then it is coming. The parameter 1 is the regression weight, just put it here, it is coming, right? And just click on here and delete it with the 4.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so now we can run our model again, right, after deleting item number 2 and item number 7, right, brothers and sisters?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to and calculate estimates. Okay, it is highlighted, that means our program is successfully run. Now see the output. So this is the output after deleting 2 items. Earlier it was the fit indexes was absolutely right. Now we have an issue in fit indexes. What is it?
The Ramsey.
Ramsey.
Yeah, it's a
The Ramsey is more than 0.08. So it is a little things. Is it better to delete any items or we make the covariance? We have the two option. We can make it okay through the covariance, or we need to delete the items. If we have huge problem in our fit indexes, then in that case we can delete. So in our case it's very slight. So let's check what is our fit indexes is recommending. Okay, go to our view text. and go to our modification index. See, in our modification index, E3 and E4 and E4 and E7, it is showing that we have we can make a covariance between E3 because it is the highest one, E3 and E4, right, the highest one. So more covariance not good, we shall make only one which is having the highest modification index. So we shall make a
Please,
covariance between 3 and 4, right? Yes, please, do you have any question?
yeah, I said, please just explain this aspect. What is the idea behind? How do we touch this aspect, this modification indexes?
Actually, modification indexes is telling us that how can we get our model fit, in which criteria, based on which criteria we need to delete item, or we make the covariance for getting our model fit. Okay, brother? So,
Yes.
okay.
So
So,
hello?
yes,
So what are the conditions?
a condition
What is the
okay,
what
if
interpretation?
which suppose if our modification indexes are showing huge problem, suppose relative chi-square is too high, it is 20, 30, 40 relative chi-square, and among the other modification index CFI, AGFI, GFI, TLI, IFI, it is very less than 0.90, and Ramsey is too huge, more than 0.08. So in that case, if we have the problem like this, so in that case, we will take the decision which items having the problem, for which our modification indexes not getting not achieving its threshold value. So this is due to one or two items, or the item having problem of the collinearity. So based on the criteria, which modification, which items having the highest modification index, if someone have the highest modification index, we have to delete those that item. And if our modification indexes has very low collinearity or low covariance between the items, in that case it is better to make the covariance instead of deleting any items. So here see, our modification index is only 4.843. So and see, and E4 and E7 it is 4.633. It is not better to delete any items. And if you go to check, all the modification fit indexes are already satisfied. Only Ramsey has a little bit problem. This is due to a collinearity between two issues. It is a very small issue. See, that's why it is showing it is showing only 4. So that's why we have to it is better, instead of deleting one item, it is better to make a covariance. We should not go for the deleting the item number 4. It is better to make a covariance between E3 and E4. You got the point, brother?
Absolutely, sir.
So what will we do now? E3 and E4, everybody please just click on the view the output path diagram, click on here and take this covariance icon, this one, draw covariance. You got this one?
Yes.
Okay, just
Yes,
click
sir.
this one, and from the down to the upper one, the lower item, error item, to the upper one, you just drag and drop there and deselect this one. Okay, now covariance has been created. What will we do now? We will calculate estimates again.
Sorry, my own is not drawing. What do I do? I'll click the icon. It's not drawing.
It will just click the left side, brother, here.
Yes.
Okay, now if you take this, click on here, the arrow, the two side arrow coming with your
Yeah.
cursor, right? Okay, just before that, just let me delete this one, and I am showing you now. It is like this now, right? With your cursor, the double arrow is coming with your cursor, brother.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Just when you come to the E3 in the right in the performance 5, and when it is highlighted, just you can just press your button of the mouse and take it to the upper side, and when it is highlighted, then
Okay.
just leave
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Just leave it.
Thank you. Done.
Okay, brother. So what will we do? We will recalculate again. Calculate again. Okay, run the program again. See, it is already highlighted. Then check the result. Is there any problem or issue?
0.00.
Okay.
No problem.
No problem.
Okay.
Now our factor loading also more than 0.5, and none of them is 1, none of them is negative, right? So what will we take? We will calculate. Yes, who is raising hand? Edward Azimong. Yes, brother.
Yes, please. With the modification indices, I don't know if you can click on it again. If you can show the results, so that I ask you a question regarding the power change, the negative and the positive figures. Do they affect the matching terms?
I did not get your question, brother.
Yes, I am saying that. Okay, can you open the modification indices?
Yes,
Can you run the test? Yes.
Yes, brother.
Good.
Yes.
Yes. So the power change,
Yes,
power change over there.
Yeah.
Good. Some of them are negative sometimes, and then positive.
Yeah.
Will it affect the matching term if you are matching if you are covariant the error term?
Yeah.
Would they affect it? For instance, in my model, I saw one that had negative figures for the power change. Some were positive.
Yes.
And anytime you are
yes, brother, just you calculate, you observe the modification index. Part change you can observe, but not very necessary. Just you will check the modification which items are having the highest modification index. Based on that, you will take the decision. No problem, brother.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay. So now it is okay. What will we do now? We shall calculate the AVE and construct reliability. So how by using my Excel sheet, what will we do? We will go to the view text. Everybody please go to the view text from here. Click here, the view text is coming. Now go to the estimates, then scalars, then standardized regression weight. All are showing the lambda value, right? Estimates value. Then click the right button and copy and take to the Excel.
Please, where do we copy?
Yes, just brother, just click here the left button and click the right button there. Then you will find a option there that is copy. Here the standardized regression weight.
Okay.
Okay, then copy, then take it to my Excel here, calculation of AV and CR, and this copy, just copy this from Excel sheet, copy and paste it here, 6 items is showing, we can delete one row, then it is 5, right? Just take this one and delete it, sorry, paste it there. Okay, as we did one, okay, copy, paste. Okay, so here, if you go here, it is showing 4, you can do it here 5, because our item number is 5. So see, AV is less than 0.5. Why is it so? Okay, see, this is why. Now it is okay, right? AV is 0.519 and CR is construct reliability is 0.843, right? So we have the sufficient convergent validity and construct reliability. So we now understand how to calculate the AVE, how to draw the path diagram, and how to observe the fit indexes, and on the which basis we need to delete the items, and how to make the covariance. Okay, this is all about construct validity and reliability. This is called the convergent CFA. Under CFA, confirmatory factor analysis, where we observe our model fit, we observe the factor loading, we observe the AVE, average variance extracted, we check the construct reliability. Okay, so once our CFA is fulfilling of all these factors, then we proceed for the measurement model. So we shall take 30 minutes break for our sola and for our prayer as well as for lunch. Then we shall come exactly at 3 o'clock, inshallah. So see you after half an hour, inshallah. Don't be late, brother. Okay.
So please, before you go, please.
Okay, please.
My own CR is giving me 0.909, different from what your own calculation is. What's wrong? What am I not getting right?
I don't understand, brother. Which one?
Yeah, the calculation of construct validity.
I think it's on the Excel sheet, right?
Yes, I inputted the parameters, the figures, but
maybe brother, check in once again. There is no chance to be wrong, brother.
Small model.
Okay, so
Little.
so calculate it manually. You have my slide, okay, and do it calculate by manually, or do it once again. I think there would not be any chance to get the different result, brother.
Yeah, is it the AVE?
Hello.
Is it the AVE?
AV and construct reliability, both you can.
Yeah, because the Excel file is divided by 6, so you have to change to 5.
Yes, she might have to change the 5. Yes.
Yes, change it to 5.
Okay.
which column? Because there are two.
Can you just share your screen? Then we go on the break so that we can release doctor.
Okay.
We'll show it.
Yes. You do it by yourself. I am going to stop sharing and do by yourself. Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Yes.
Share your screen.